Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the Upper St. Andrew area and we're going to be looking at the Spyglass apartments. And that's it there that you're looking at. We are actually on Tavistock Road. And Tavistock Road takes you from Jacks Hill to Millsboro, two of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. So this development is ultra luxury apartments. This is the Upper St. Andrew area, and basically you have a lot of luxury homes up here. Now this development is being done by Matalon Homes, and it's a massive development. Just looking from this angle, you're not going to see just how big a development it is. But if you're in Barbican, look up at the hill. Like when you're coming out of the Lashushan Plaza, look up at the hill and you'll see how massive this development is. We are actually going to come back with a drone and make some drone videos so you can see the size of this development. So it's 42 residences or apartments that are going to be built here. Some will be 2-bedroom, some will be 3-bedroom. We don't have a price or the prices for the units, but if anybody knows, leave it in the comment section and we will include it in future videos. Now, this project is being built on 4.2 acres of land. So it's a massive development. And as you can see, it's going to be a gated community. That's the guardhouse right there. And that's the entrance. When it's finished, that will be the entrance. Now, based on how far they've reached, these apartments could be ready by the end of the year. And also, if anybody knows if they're sold out, you can also leave the information below and we will include it in future videos. But they seem to have reached very far. I'm not sure when they started, but if they're not finished this year, they'll probably be finished early next year. But okay, now Tavistock Road, that's the road we're on now where this development is actually blocked. To get to these apartments, we had to come from the Jacks Hill side. And remember we said you could drive from Jacks Hill to Millsboro. But there was some sort of landslide. I'm not sure what happened. But the Tavistock Road closer to the Millsboro end is blocked. So I'm hoping they get that road fixed before these apartments open up, because 42 residences, that could easily be over 80 additional cars using this road in addition to the regular traffic. So I'm hoping that, I'm not sure who is in charge of that road, if it's the NWA or the parish council, but whoever it is, I'm hoping that they get that road fixed quickly. We actually have videos up on the road and showing what's going on with the road, so you can check it out. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour of this video, and we will add this development to the developments that we give updates on every 2 weeks. So remember to like, share and subscribe so you can get the updates on this project. And just to let you know, all the major projects or developments going on, we make videos every 2 weeks. For instance, the Ascent, that's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica. We've actually been covering that development from before they broke ground, and they just recently broke ground. So every 2 weeks we put videos up of that development the Rogers, many other developments that are going on, all the major developments. So, okay, this is actually Tavistock Road now. We're heading back towards Jackson. If we had gone the other way towards Millsboro, you would see the road, but it's not passable. The road it's literally blocked. You can't drive on it, so we're heading back this way. Now this road will take us back to Jacks Hill Road. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.